Hi everyone, let's make this easy and beautiful Valentine's envelope and also a Valentine's banner together. Get some heart-shaped doilies. These are from the dollar store. Fold them like so. Fill with candies and goodies. It can actually hold quite a few things. Lollipops, keychains, erasers. There's even space on the back to write who it's to and who it's from. Now just add a sticker to seal. All done, simple and lovely. Now let's make a banner with the same doilies. Take any string and string it through the top of the doilies. Now wasn't that easy? And look at how great it looks. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun ideas.